It's basically it's just a wish list. I was looking through Amazon. No, actually, I was watching a video on YouTube because I was trying to keep up with Danny's video and some Arco stuff, and try to be first one to comment. But it's Wayne Reynolds. It's your fault. Your fault. Keep putting first comments. You've been slacking for a while though. But anyway, I noticed, and no, it's not about this tool. I'm always leaving my tools everywhere. I noticed they have this little connector here, and I noticed online for $9.99 you can buy 10 little holders. I don't own 10 DeWalt tools that'll fit on my wall. So, mind you, I don't think I have any space on my wall to put 10 DeWalt tools. But I decided, you know what, I really need a holder because I have this thing, I have that thing. I have an old frickin' drill. I have a sander, and I don't really think I'm going to be, using one of those little wall things for a chainsaw because it's just frickin' stupid. But I have, that's all I think I really have. I don't really have a lot of drills. I have one impact drill and one old ass 18 volt with a conversion, and I think that's it. And a bunch of old stuff, but I want to get the adapters to put them on there. Maybe I should buy another drill. Yeah, because who doesn't want a drill? And as I have the battery holders, now the funny part is now I have so many batteries because I keep buying tools for free batteries. Like I bought this, and I bought the, the little battery holder put on the wall. There's a video coming out with that soon, or already came out, and I put this on later. So yeah, if anybody, if you don't know, they make tool holders for Milwaukee and all these other companies. You can just kind of click them on either put them on the desk or click them on the wall and stuff. Because they're, I don't have a 3D printer, so I've got to rely on everyone else with 3D printers. Other than that, I'm gonna try to clean up my shop a little more. I got a few things out of the way. I have to get the car. I have to put the car somewhere else because that's just like either the mule or the car is going to go somewhere else. And I would like to add. It's not my property. The building's mine. It's my shit in here, but it's my father-in-law's property. And I would like to add on to the garage about 10 feet. Put the car and the mule in there, so I can have one big workshop. But I don't know. Other thing I'd like to do this year is hook up the sandblasting box and get all the shit that's behind it or in front of it up on the ceiling so I can work on that. Got a couple things, but it'll come around. I got stuff in here that we have like a fun bounce thing. I have a bunch of old bikes and stuff I got to get rid of. I got a bouncy horse. I don't know what I'm doing with it. There's a Austin Mini project hanging above me. I have empty space up there where there's so much shit down here I put up there. I can't get the ladder to it, so that's another one. So that's some of the things I want to do. And any reason to talk on camera? Yeah. Everybody says I like to talk, so why not talk to my consumers of knowledge? Not that I'm very knowledgeable of shit. I just like to do stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and if you have any comments, click on the little buttons there, do the little thing, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.